What's up everybody, Tony here with High Tech Check, and today we're going to be taking a look at some cases and accessories for the brand new iPhone 14 Pro Max. We have a couple cases here that have the MagSafe technology built in. We have a tempered glass screen protector. We have a magnetic ring for your MagSafe, and we also have some protective film for your rear cameras. I will also be putting links in the description for all these products in case you guys want to pick them up yourself. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews to you guys. So let's go ahead and see what Benks has to offer. Alright, then here we have a tempered glass screen protector by Benks. So we get 2 installation packets and 2 screen protectors and a guide. So the first thing you want to do is to clean off your screen very well with the included screen cleaner. Then you want to dry it off. Now Benks makes it super simple for you to install this screen protector. So here we have our guide. We have a little arrow pointing up, and that's going to go towards your phone's camera. And we have this little piece of film here that you want to make sure is in between this little part of the guide. And what you're going to do is basically just take your guide with the screen protector in it and just place it over your phone just like this. Then what you want to do is press your finger down here just to kind of hold on to the guide, and then we're going to simply just pull out this little film here, and then we're going to press down the middle of the screen. Then what I would suggest you do is put your 2 fingers here and gently lift up on the guide, and then you can remove any bubbles you might see. And we'll give it a nice wipe down once we're done. And there we go. Very nice, easy installation. I don't see any bubbles whatsoever. Feels nice and smooth, just like the glass that's on the phone. And this is a full coverage screen protector as well. Go ahead and see how our sensors work. Face ID working perfectly fine. Go ahead and see the camera. Camera working perfectly fine as well. No issues there. And here we have one of Benks' protective cases that has MagSafe technology built in. So here is the case itself. As you can see, it's got that MagSafe ring in the back. It's got a nice frosted back as well, nice and smooth. It is rigid, so that's good for protection. It also does have a nice rigid rubber edge all the way around the case, so you don't have to worry about it being floppy after a while like some of the other cases. Got your nice buttons on the side. Go ahead and put our phone inside the case here. So it fits in the case very nice, even with the tempered glass screen protector in there. Comes right up to the edge of the case. And if we look at the side here, there's a slight edge around the phone for the screen's protection as well. We have our separated volume buttons here, which are very nice as well too. Cut out for a mute button, little lanyard hole. We have our cutouts on the bottom here. We have our power button, very nice as well. We have a nice recession for our camera's protection. And as you can see, it shows off the color of your phone in that matte. Very smooth, I love that. It does not collect any fingerprints whatsoever. Buttons, super clicky. Very nice, very pronounced, easy to find. Screen protector. Seems to reject fingerprints pretty good as well. Case feels very nice in the hand. Don't have to worry about it slipping. I love these buttons. They are so solid. They look like they're metal. Feels really nice. And that nice rubber feel around the edge. Give you some nice edge protection as well. And if you're wondering if it works with wireless charging, there you go. Now their screen protector works perfectly fine in their cases, and I'm sure it works that way with other cases as well. If you do have another case that you want to use, you're just going to have to try it out because the screen protector does come right up to the edge. And as you can see, it doesn't add a lot of bulk to the phone either. And then here we have the Benks clear MagSafe case. And here it is. Again, it's got the MagSafe ring in the back. It's got a nice hard backing as well, surrounded by some nice rubbery edges. Again, it fits great with their screen protector, comes right up to the edge with no lifting. The case is very grippy, very nice in the hand. Buttons, very clicky, responsive. Again, if we look on the side, it does still have a raised edge, even though I do have that tempered glass screen protector. It does not add hardly any bulk to the phone. It's got our separated volume buttons, our mute button there, the lanyard hole, cutouts on the bottom, our power button on the side, and it does look to have some little reinforcement on the edges as well for the edge protection. On the back, it does have a raised edge to protect your cameras, and then that nice clear backing to show off the color of your phone. Very nice case. This one for fingerprints seems to reject fingerprints pretty good as well. There are a couple, but you can just simply wipe those away without any issue whatsoever. Nice and clear. And if you're wondering about wireless charging, you don't have to use the MagSafe. You can pretty much use anything you want, and there you go. Definitely feels nice in the hand. Again, like I said, you don't have to worry about it slipping out of your hand because it is nice and grippy. And it looks pretty good, especially if you want to show off the color of your phone. And then here we have the Benks MagSafe ring holder. It's got this nice little ring in here so you can put your finger through it to hold your phone, or you can use it as a stand. And again, it's got that MagSafe technology built in so you can easily use it with their cases, just like that. Nice and strong. Again, like I said, you can put your finger through here just like this and hold onto your phone so you don't have to worry about it falling out of your hand. And then, like I said before, it also doubles as a nice little stand. And then it folds down just as easy. Very nice. Now the question is, will it work with wireless charging? Let's go ahead and find out. So it looks like you will have to take the ring off if you do want to wirelessly charge. But it's not that hard because it easily just pops off. You just take it off like that and then wirelessly charge. But it is nice and strong. You don't have to worry about your phone going anywhere. And then, like I said, you can use this as a very nice little stand, and you kind of angle it at many different angles. Very cool. And again, it doesn't add too much bulk to the phone. It's not much higher than the bump on the back of the phone's camera. And you can even kind of angle it up in portrait mode as well. And then here we have the Benks rear camera protectors. Here is the protector, and here is the little installation packet. And this is the violet color. So that looks pretty cool, especially if you have the deep purple phone. Or if you want to give your phone some accent color, this is pretty cool. So these are very easy to install. All you need to do is simply clean off all your lenses, because what's on the lens is going to remain on the lens once you put these covers on. So you need to make sure that they're nice and clean. Then all you need to do is peel off the little back here, just like that. Then we're going to go ahead and line this up with our cameras on our phone, and then just simply press them down into place. Then all you need to do is gently lift up on the plastic tab here. And there you go. Your camera protectors are all installed. As you can see, it doesn't add much height to the lenses themselves. And if we put them in our case here, you can see it works perfectly fine and fits perfectly inside the case as well. Now the cameras are almost flush with that little rubber edge around the corner, and it'll give you your lenses some extra protection, and it looks really nice as well. Here's our rear camera. As you can see, no issues there. Nice and clear. The macro lens still works perfectly fine as well. So that is it for the Benks cases, lens screen protectors, front screen protector, and the Benks ring. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, I will be putting links in the description for all these products in case you guys want to pick them up yourself. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews to you guys. I definitely recommend these cases. They are very nice and they do offer some good protection, as well as the rear camera protectors. I love the fact that they do have an accent color for the different color phones. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you guys know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.